Moosehead Lake is the largest lake in Maine with an area of nearly 118 square miles. It is also the largest mountain lake in the eastern U.S. with an elevation of over 1,000 feet. Data from Moosehead Lake has been collected from 1976. After some recent studies, it has been found that the phosphorus in Moosehead Lake ranged from 3.5 to 9 ppb, the average being 4.5 ppb. This is fairly low for a lake its size. Because the level of phosphorus is low, this means that there is also a low amount of algae. The amount of algae affects the number of zooplankton negatively, so there aren't many of them. There aren't many trout either because they eat zooplankton. Apart from zooplankton, there are three things that live in the lakes that eat algae as well. These include barnacles, mussels, and periwinkles. There are only a few of these in the lake for the same reason that there aren't many zooplankton or trout. Also, there won't be many starfish or crabs either, because they eat barnacles, mussels, and periwinkles. Overall, because of the food chain, the amount of phosphorus in the lake affects almost all life forms. On the other hand, the clarity in Moosehead Lake was high, measuring from 5.2 meters to 11.4 meters, averaging at 8.5 meters, or 28 feet. High clarity also supports the fact that Moosehead Lake is a low productivity lake, because the higher the clarity, the fewer number of life forms in the water. Luckily, the level of chlorophyll was low, which means that there are fewer algae blooms. The few fish that survive in these conditions at Moosehead Lake include salmon, togue, brook, and trout. Most other fish cannot survive in these conditions.